Oh, that's a good one. I know. Well, thank you. Do you want me to open it? Ooh, want to read a book? You like this one? What is that? What is that? A ball? It's your blue one, huh? Oh, good. That milk tastes good, huh? With that cold, I know, in your cough. You gonna get up there? Ooh, get that ball. Perfect. Good throw. It's your little ducky. Say hi, little ducky. Happy St. Patrick's Day, huh? Second one. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave? First take a big drink and then wave bye-bye. Will you wave bye-bye? Okay.